Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right in your Instacart app right there. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, first of all, go ahead, open it up, make sure you have downloaded and installed the app right there. Once you do that, go ahead, tap on the sign up option, which you will firstly just see right over there. Now you can go ahead and sign up with your phone number if you would like to. Choose your country code and your phone number. Otherwise, you can go ahead and sign in with the email as well. Other option you have available, continue with Apple, Google, and Facebook. Guys, this might be easiest for you because you have existing account information. You don't have to go through all the steps. Go ahead, tap on with continue with Google, tap on continue, choose a desired account. And now you will add a zip code of your country over here, and once you add that, you will be able to create your account with your Google right there in your app. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you.